Hello guys, in this video we talk about how you can write a newsletter for your product updates with the help of the example of Netflix games. Okay, so in this news article, Netflix is announcing the beta program for their games on TV project. Okay, so let's imagine that we are now a part of the Netflix product marketing team, and that we are sending out a newsletter announcing this update. In this video we will see how you can write that. You can send out a newsletter through any CRM tool of your convenience. Let's say we're sending it through HubSpot. Now that you send the newsletter, how will you track the success? Because a lot of email inboxes have the auto open feature, number of opens might not be an ideal success metric. So in that case, we can track the success of the newsletter through number of clicks. Let's say you have multiple links. Taking the example of Netflix games itself, let's say you have a sign up form or any links to how the games on TV project will work. Are people clicking on the links? How many people have clicked on the links? How many people, if you have any call to action for form submission for the beta program, how many people have clicked on the call to action? How many people have unsubscribed from the newsletter after this, after you have sent this edition? How many people have skimmed through it or, read it thoroughly? All these metrics can be tracked through the CRM of your choice. So let's continue with the example of Netflix games product newsletter and see how you can write one. This is the basic outline of a product update newsletter. You have the introduction, then the body, and finally the call to action. In the introduction section, you talk about what is the major update for this in this newsletter that you're sending out and what is the context. So taking the example of Netflix games, here in the introduction they're saying that our goal has always been to have a game for everyone. So we are making games playable on every device where our members enjoy Netflix. So this is the context, and this will lead them to talk about their key update. The major portion of the newsletter will be all about the features that they are introducing and the improvements that they've made to the current games on TV product. So let's say as a user who has Netflix installed on their smart TV, how do you enable games, or how do you play the games? Any other support information that you need will also be how to reach out to them in case you have issues. All of that will be mentioned in the main body section of the newsletter. So here, okay, taking their news article as an example, in the main portion they mention who are they rolling out the beta testing to and what are the games that will be rolled out. This is the features and the improvements. So this is the improvement. To play games on our TV, we're introducing a controller that we already have, which is our phones. So they've enabled you to play games using your phones on TV. So this is the improvement that they make to the product. So this is the body part of the newsletter where the core information resides. The tone of this newsletter will depend mostly on what the brand image of your product is. If it's jovial and casual, then probably the newsletter also will follow the same tone, include memes and so on. And if it's very professional and straightforward, then the newsletter also will follow the same manner. The final call to action is more of an optional section. It may or may not apply to the current newsletter that you're sending out. So in the case of like Netflix games, they're saying that it is automatically being rolled out to these TV products, and it will soon come to all the devices where Netflix is available. So in this case, the users need not take any action. It is being done for them. But let's say in your case, you want to, track, ask people to sign up for the test, or you want people to give a testimonial on what they think about the product update they've made, or any other tracking that you want to do. Then in that case, you should include a call to action. One more thing you should remember about sending out a product update newsletter is that it is going to their inbox. So you should A/B test the subject line that you are adding to the newsletter. See which helps or captivates people more to open the email and read through it. So it is better to A/B test the subject line and how the email will look in the preview as well. So this is the complete outline of a product update newsletter, and it is more of a guidelines and not a strict rule to be followed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please let me know. Thank you for watching.